This is a tutorial for your special K from standing position. I like to teach it from a standing position for those who haven't done it before, just because it enables you to stay quite low to the floor and it prevents any danger, okay? So if you've got like a little mat or something, you can put that down and I'll direct you exactly where to put that mat for the most safety. So we're going to start just from standing, just talking about the position first, and we'll actually do it with our foot in contact with the floor before we bring it on the pole. And this also gives you a second chance to warm up. You should already be warm. This gives you a second chance to just really make sure that you loosen your hamstrings, because it is quite heavy on that part of your body. So if you stand behind the pole, I'll do it facing towards you for now. If you stand behind the pole, we're going to take the right leg in front of the pole. So the right leg's on one side, left leg's on the other. Because the right leg's forward, I'm going to tilt everything to the right side, keeping that foot exactly where it is. Then from there, I take the inside arm, which is the left arm, up and over just to grab the pole. So you don't need to put it in the armpit or anything like that. You just need to get the hand on the pole in just a normal grip for now. We can change it in a minute. Then from there, you lean forward into that front leg, and then you use this outside arm to bring around the outside of that thigh. Okay, so I'm just going to change position just so you can really see that. So I've gone from there with that leg on, up and over, round the back, and then both hands want to be in a double cup grip, so thumbs at the same side of the pole as the fingers. And then from there, if you just watch first before you try, I'm just going to start tipping my weight forwards, forward, 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 to hook the pole with the back of the knee to come up. Okay, so that's exercise one. You might want to stop the video, try that a few times over, and then come back and try the next version up the pole. So that's just your intro, really good way to strengthen your leg and get more comfortable. But always remember, I know it's scary trying to push your body forward and you're looking at the floor to see, oh, I'm going to face plant, but it's actually safer if you tuck your head in and you look up the pole, and it'll direct your body in the right way. It's like a forward roll, think about it that way. So your nose dives down, and that helps you get the position. So let's talk about it from a little bit higher up the pole. So we're not even going to go really high up, we're just going to bring the foot from where it was then, just take it a little bit higher. So I like to put the pole on the instep of my foot. So some of the foot is wrapped around the pole and the heel is wrapped around the other side. So it just looks like this. And because I've got quite a high arch, I wouldn't really get that much grip on the pole if I just did my foot straight on. So you might have to play around that with for yourself, and then that'll indicate the exact position of your foot. Okay, so gone from there, bring the foot a little bit higher up. We take exactly the same process now, so up and over with that arm, find the hand on, other hand comes round, and then just play with the idea of taking your weight into that front foot to there. And then on. And then round. And you can bring it to a nice cupid, which will also strengthen that leg, ready to take your weight into a special K. So that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoy it. I think this is a really impressive move. And if you've already got the splits, it's actually not that hard to achieve if you take the right steps. So enjoy it.